Welcome to Ask the Lawyer, International Edition, the radio show that brings you the latest trends in immigrating to the United States. Hosted by attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This program is designed to provide valuable insights for those who wish to live, work, study, or invest in the U.S. Whether you're an international student seeking educational opportunities, an entertainer looking to break into the U.S. market, or a business owner wanting to expand your operations and tap into the vast U.S. economy, this show is for you. If you're an investor exploring options in the U.S. or someone with family or friends already living here, you won't want to miss the important information shared on Ask the Lawyer, International Edition. Each week, we dive into critical topics that help you navigate the complexities of U.S. immigration and business law. Special guests include experts in business development, elected officials supportive of immigration, business owners, and nonprofit leaders who provide real-world advice and guidance for those wanting to build a future in the U.S. The law firm of Figeroux Associates was founded not only to serve our clients, but to contribute to the greater good. We understand the importance of helping individuals and businesses achieve their American dreams, and we are committed to providing the legal expertise and support needed to make that happen. So whether you're an entrepreneur looking to open a branch of your business in the U.S., an investor ready to explore opportunities, or someone hoping to migrate and build a new life in America, you should tune in and learn from this informative program. Ask the Lawyer. International Edition is your resource for understanding U.S. immigration trends, business opportunities, and legal strategies. Call now. For personalized legal advice, contact the experienced attorneys at Figeroux Associates today. Our team is here to help you navigate the path to success in the U.S. Thank you for listening to Ask the Lawyer, International Edition with attorney Brian Figeroux. Visit us online at askthelawyer.us or call today to schedule your consultation.
Yes, welcome to Ask the Lawyer, where we break down the law so you can stand on your rights. Today, we are focusing on a powerful but often misunderstood protection in immigration law, cancellation of removal. In a shifting legal landscape, it can mean the difference between deportation and a second chance, a way to stay with your family and continue building your life here in the U.S. We'll also cover something many don't realize they may qualify for: applying for a U.S. passport as a derivative citizen. Were you born abroad to a U.S. citizen parent? You might already be a citizen and not even know it. It's all about knowledge, timing, and knowing where to turn. Stay with us. Ask the Lawyer starts now. Mr. Figeroux?
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. President Trump is coming for our people. And the ante is going up and up and up. There's what we call registration. There's also the issue of more and more people may be apprehended by immigration, ICE. It could be on the train, it could be on the bus, it could be in your neighborhood, it could be at your soca party, your reggae party, whatever. Yes, that's the fear that there is out there, and believe me, Trump wants you to have fear. Why? It's obvious, and if you don't know it, he wants America to be great again. White again. Yes. So don't confuse great again with white again. And he cares not about anyone. He's making billions of dollars all over the world, and that's his priority. And he doesn't care if people in America, black, brown, white, whatever, cannot eat tomorrow or next week or the following month. Why? It's about him. Sooner or later, whether you live overseas or you live in the U.S., you're going to get a call, unfortunately. Immigration, they have me in custody. What can I do? And what we have to understand is what are the various defenses for deportation. We will start with cancellation of removal. If you are here for more than 10 years and you do not have a green card, what we call cancellation of removal for non-green card holders. You have to show not extreme hardship, but what we call exceptional hardship. Do you have a family member here, a baby, a child, a spouse, a parent that we could show hardship on if you will be deported from the United States of America? Obviously, there's what we call good moral character requirements. For those of you who have a green card and have it for more than 7 years, not less, and you get in trouble with the law, or immigration believes that, I don't know, under the Trump administration, you may or may not want to commit a crime, but mostly it's for people who obviously commit a crime. More than one crime involving good moral turpitude. What is good moral character? Well, let's say you get caught with a prostitute once, you don't want to get caught with a prostitute twice. Those are crimes involving good moral character. And the list goes on, and we have a list of all the crimes, whether you commit them in New Jersey, New York, or Connecticut, the tri-state area here, and we understand what each crime, if you commit it, we know what obviously the consequences are. So any one of you who have any arrest records, I suggest that you make an appointment, come to the office so we could evaluate, obviously, your criminal records. Normally what we ask for is this certificate of disposition, whether it be New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, and we review the consequences of you committing that crime. If committing those crimes make you inadmissible, then whether you're a green card holder or non-green card holder, you will not win your cancellation of removal hearing, which means, obviously, you have to avoid apprehension because you're going to be on your way back home. And I always tell clients, home is paradise. Yes. We have beautiful islands back home, or Africa, Latin America, wherever. And you should take those things into consideration. The problem is that we may have children here, family here, and we will get separated from those families if we are deported, obviously, from the United States of America. Another defense for deportation is VAWA, the Violence Against Women's Act. And whether it be a male or female, that law was passed in 1994 when Biden was a senator, the Violence Against Women's Act, and that allows people who are victims of violence from their spouse to make certain arguments, good moral character, etc., things that are needed. Obviously, they always look at your arrest records to see if you could win your case against immigration from being deported from the United States of America. My name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Now, for people who came to the U.S. without inspection, obviously another hurdle when we do any defense for deportation is registration. We'll have to file a special waiver so that you can file your cancellation or removal, or in most cases, the VAWA also. That may or may not be. And registration is the requirement where if you're here in this country, and it's, one of the categories is people who came here without inspection, meaning you came as a crewman, that's a C visa, or you came across the border, or you came using someone else's documents. Those are normally considered entries without inspection. And we could have a long discussion on that. And if that is one of the issues that you face, you really need to give us a call. Why do I say this? Well, they say prevention is better than cure. Don't wait until immigration eyes pick you up. You come to the office first and do so. Another issue is a lot of people like to hire that notario. It's famous in Latino neighborhoods. It's also famous in Caribbean, African American neighborhoods. That is, you hire someone who's not a lawyer. And the lawyer, obviously, these non-lawyers will not have the sophistication that an attorney has. So they may save you money, but they could put you in a lot of trouble. If you are filling any applications out where you are being petitioned for, you need to know the consequences of those applications, because not everyone will qualify to get a green card. One, if they have criminal records. Two, because of registration. And even if you came to this country with inspection and you just overstay your time, the process is very long. Applications that used to be 10, 20 pages is double and triple that amount now. President Trump and immigration, USCIS, they need more data and more data and more data about you. All of this is an effort to stop immigrants coming from the U.S. Or, should I say, stop non-white immigrants coming to the U.S. Again, my name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. The law firm's website is www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Thank you.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.
If your spouse has overstayed their visa and you want to help them obtain a green card, we can help. The process of adjusting status can be complex, especially if there was an overstay. But the law firm of Figeroux Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, has the experience and expertise to guide you through it. Our team of immigration lawyers will assist you every step of the way, from filing petitions to representing you at interviews. Schedule a consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call us at 855-768-8845. Get the right legal help when it matters most. Are you an artist, band, or musician looking to perform in the United States but need help navigating the complex visa process? The law firm of Figeroux Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to assist. Our experienced immigration attorneys specialize in entertainer visas, including P1, P2, and P3 visas. We'll guide you through every step, from securing a U.S. sponsor to filing the necessary petitions and preparing for your consular interview. With our legal expertise, we'll ensure that your visa application process is smooth and stress-free so you can focus on what you do best, performing. Schedule a consultation today at visiting www.askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845. Figeroux Associates, your trusted partner in U.S. immigration law for entertainers.
Do you have a family member overseas that you want to bring to the United States? The law firm of Figeroux Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to help. Our experienced immigration attorneys specialize in family-based green card petitions, guiding you step by step through the process to reunite you with your loved ones. Whether you're a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, we will ensure your petition is handled smoothly and efficiently. Plus, we can help you understand how filing for a green card may impact your relative's visitor visa. Schedule a consultation today. Visit askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 to discuss your case with our skilled legal team. Figeroux Associates, your trusted partner in family immigration law.
Hi, my name is Brian Anthony Figeroux, and you are listening to Ask the Lawyer with my father, Brian Figeroux.
Understanding Cancellation of Removal, a lifeline in a shifting immigration landscape. Welcome to Legal Insights, brought to you by the law firm of Figeroux Associates. With offices at 26 Court Street, Suite 701 in Brooklyn, New York, Figeroux Associates is dedicated to providing expert legal guidance. Facing an immigration challenge? Call 855-768-8845 or visit us online at askthelawyer.us. Hello, and thank you for joining me. My name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figeroux, and today, we're going to discuss a critical topic for many non-citizens living in the United States: cancellation of removal. In the complex and ever-changing world of U.S. immigration law, understanding your options is absolutely vital, especially if you are facing the possibility of being removed from the country. Cancellation of removal is a form of relief that can allow certain individuals in deportation proceedings to keep their green card, or in some cases, obtain lawful permanent resident status, even if they are otherwise removable. It's a defense sought before an immigration judge, but it's not easily granted and involves strict requirements and a thorough review of your case. There are primarily three types of cancellation of removal we see in immigration court. First, there's cancellation of removal for lawful permanent residents, or LPRs. This is for individuals who already have a green card but have been placed in removal proceedings, often due to certain criminal convictions or other violations. To be eligible, an LPR generally needs to have had their green card for at least 5 years, resided continuously in the U.S. for at least 7 years after being admitted in any status, and not have been convicted of an aggravated felony. The 7 years of continuous residence stops accumulating if you are served with a notice to appear, NTA, or commit certain offenses. Second, we have cancellation of removal for non-lawful permanent residents. This is often referred to by its application form number, EOIR-42B. This form of relief is for non-citizens who do not have a green card but have lived in the U.S. for many years and have U.S. citizen or LPR family members who would face extreme hardship if they were removed. The requirements here are even more demanding. You typically need to show continuous physical presence in the U.S. for at least 10 years before being served with an NTA or committing certain offenses. You also need to demonstrate good moral character for that 10-year period. The most significant hurdle is proving exceptional and extremely unusual hardship to your U.S. citizen or LPR spouse, parent, or child. This is a very high standard, meaning the hardship must be substantially beyond what is ordinarily expected from a deportation. Hardship to the applicant themselves is not enough under this category. The third type is VAWA cancellation of removal. This is a crucial protection under the Violence Against Women Act for non-citizen victims of battery or extreme cruelty by a U.S. citizen or LPR spouse, parent, or in some cases, a child of a U.S. citizen or LPR parent.
VAWA cancellation has more lenient requirements, recognizing the unique challenges faced by abuse survivors. Eligibility generally requires at least 3 years of continuous physical presence, good moral character during that time, with considerations for the impact of abuse, and demonstrating extreme hardship to yourself, your child, or your parent if removed. Notably, the hardship here can be to the applicant, not just a qualifying relative, and being served with an NTA typically does not stop the clock on your physical presence for VAWA purposes. The process for seeking cancellation of removal involves filing an application with the Immigration Court, either Form EOIR 42A for LPRs or EOIR 42B for non-LPRs and VAWA cases, and providing extensive supporting documentation. This evidence needs to prove your eligibility, including your length of residence, good moral character, and the required hardship to your family members or yourself in VAWA cases. You will also have an individual hearing before an immigration judge where you and your witnesses will testify. It's important to understand that even if you meet all the eligibility requirements, the immigration judge still has the discretion to grant or deny your case. They will weigh positive factors such as your family ties in the U.S., length of residence, employment history, community involvement, and evidence of rehabilitation against any negative factors, such as your immigration history or criminal record. Adding to the complexity, the current immigration landscape in 2025 presents significant challenges. We are seeing a shift towards more restrictive policies and increased enforcement. Recent executive orders and policy changes appear to be limiting prosecutorial discretion, meaning DHS attorneys may be more likely to oppose cancellation applications vigorously. There are also concerns about changes at the Board of Immigration Appeals, which handles appeals from IJ decisions, potentially leading to longer waits and a more restrictive review of cases. The high hardship standards, particularly for non-LPRs, are likely to face even stricter scrutiny. Given these complexities and the challenging environment, having experienced legal representation is more crucial than ever. An attorney can help you understand if you are eligible for cancellation of removal or any other form of relief, gather and organize the necessary evidence, prepare you and your witnesses for court, and present the strongest possible legal arguments on your behalf. They can also help navigate the procedural aspects of removal proceedings and address any complex issues, such as those related to criminal history or the stop time rule. Cancellation of removal offers a potential path to a second chance, a chance to keep families together and continue building a life in the United States. But it requires meticulous preparation, a deep understanding of the law, and skilled advocacy. If you or someone you know is in removal proceedings or has questions about cancellation of removal, don't face it alone. The law firm of Figeroux Associates is here to help. With their expertise in immigration law, they can assess your situation and guide you through the process. Visit us at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, Brooklyn, NY 11242. Call today for a consultation at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or learn more about our services online at askthelawyer.us. That's askthelawyer.us. Don't wait. Contact Figeroux Associates today and take the first step towards understanding your rights and options.
Do you have a family member overseas that you want to bring to the United States? The law firm of Figeroux Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to help. Our experienced immigration attorneys specialize in family-based green card petitions, guiding you step by step through the process to reunite you with your loved ones. Whether you're a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, we will ensure your petition is handled smoothly and efficiently. Plus, we can help you understand how filing for a green card may impact your relative's visitor visa. Schedule a consultation today. Visit askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 to discuss your case with our skilled legal team. Figeroux Associates, your trusted partner in family immigration law.
Attention green card holders. Have you been outside the United States for more than a year? Are you holding an old green card without an expiration date? These situations can jeopardize your permanent resident status. At Figeroux Associates, we specialize in immigration law and can guide you through these complex issues. We are located at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, downtown Brooklyn. We are here to help you navigate the legal maze. Don't wait until it's too late. Call us today at 855-768-8845 to schedule a consultation. Protect your status and secure your future with Figeroux Associates. Figeroux Associates, your trusted partner in immigration law. Call 855-768-8845 now or visit askthelawyer.us to schedule an appointment today.
I have been deported. Can I return to the United States? Returning to the U.S. after deportation is a challenging process, but is not impossible. Here are some key points. A. Deportation grounds. People are deported for various reasons, including entering the United States without permission, B. Violating immigration status terms, C. Criminal offenses leading to deportability, and D. Security-related concerns. Things to consider are A. The inadmissibility period. After deportation, individuals are inadmissible for a specified period. The length of inadmissibility depends on the reasons for removal, the number of removals, and whether they are left voluntarily or after removal hearings. Some grounds of removal allow for waivers, except security-related grounds. Waivers may reduce the waiting period for re-entry, and severity of removal grounds affect waiver approval likelihood. How to get back. Form I-212 application. Individuals seeking re-entry file Form I-212 to request permission. USCIS then reviews the application and grants permission if eligible. Please note that U.S. citizens cannot be legally deported. They can return to the U.S. at any time. How to prove that you're a U.S. citizen? Determining your U.S. citizenship depends on various factors. Here are some scenarios to consider. Were you born in the U.S.? If you were born in the U.S., your birth certificate issued in the United States is proof of your citizenship. Do you have grandparents or parents born in the United States? You may be a U.S. citizen if one of your parents or grandparents was born in the United States or its territories. Additionally, if one or both of your parents became a naturalized U.S. citizen before your 18th birthday, you may also be a U.S. citizen. Naturalization. If you're a lawful permanent resident, a green card holder, you can apply for naturalization after meeting specific requirements established by Congress in the Immigration and Nationality Act. Always remember to consult a legal professional. For personalized guidance, consult with the immigration attorney or visit the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services website for detailed information.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.
This show is a production of IQ Inc. Marketing. If you would like to advertise your product or service on this show to the U.S. and Caribbean markets and through our multicultural publications in New York, please call 866-435-3286 or send an email to info@myiqinc.com.
Thank you for listening to Ask the Lawyer International Edition with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates in New York. We hope you enjoyed the show, which featured immigration visitors visa, starting and doing business in New York, entertainment and business visas, religious visas, and much more. Whether you are outside the U.S. or have family in New York, the number to call, share, and keep is 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. 8845. Please schedule a consultation with us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer, International Edition. You have questions? We've got the answers.